we've done in partnership with HLSCC and Dr. George, we've established the Power 52 Caribbean Energy Institute. So this is the first location, our first international location of the Power 52 Caribbean Institute.
When you think about it all we did was figure out a way to invest in people. That was the trick. The trick was Paine said, you must fight now.
This program is a beautiful opportunity to build capacity within the territory, to build the representation of HLSCC as a premier training institution in the Caribbean, and to help us rebuild our community, our young people.
I interviewed everyone. I don't know if you've watched the BVI Stronger web series or the documentary, but it actually led to thousands of people coming back to tour and to be part of BVI's recovery. After hearing what people wanted, it was one of the greatest cries was to go green. To go green. We want to go green. We don't want to put the old ways back up. We want to live as a model of people who experience the pain of this climate change, and we want to do something about it.
We are invested in ensuring that the people of the Virgin Islands have the skills required to be full participants of any industry. And as such, it behooves us to pursue partnerships like this one in order to ensure that our people are trained to take their rightful place when those industries take off.
I am so excited. My biggest hope is that this is not just a one-time thing, but we find other industries and they incorporate that character building piece, the personal finance piece.
Once we show that it works here for a country like BVI, we can go to St. Martin, we can go to St. Lucia, we can go to West Africa, and the process is the same. So we're really excited about establishing our first international location. We're excited about the people we're going to serve and at the blessing that we'll bring to this community.
The Certified Solar Technician Program is key and critical to the advancement of the government of the Virgin Islands and the BVI Electricity Corporation's strategic energy vision for the territory.
We can take this country forward to the next level, to the next generation, to the next stage.
When you get the right people, when you put the right people together, all things are possible. And whether it's solar, whether it's whatever, I think the redeveloping of human beings is what makes this project work and what makes BVI the perfect place to do it.
Your participation in this program will put you in high demand. Treasure this opportunity. It will open up your options where if you become good enough, your earnings can be very high.
Storms come through. Tough times never last. Tough people do.